Hi, today we're going to go over the 5-10-5 drill, also known as the 20-yard shuttle. The 5-10-5 drill is a classic NFL combine test used to assess an athlete's lateral change direction capabilities as well as their acceleration and lateral mobility. Besides football, the 5-10-5 drill can be used for many other sports that incorporate change direction, such as basketball, baseball, and tennis. When administering the test, the coach should take into account what sport the athlete uses and modify the flooring surface accordingly. The only equipment necessary is minimal, being 3 cones, yard markers or tape on the floor if necessary, and 2 timers using stopwatches or timing gates if available.
Before administering the test, we want to make sure that the athletes are properly warmed up. Warm-up is going to focus on range of motion and muscle activation. Also, we want to make sure that the athletes are well aware of the technique involved in the test. So to begin with, the athletes are going to come to the middle cone and straddle it. Depending on the sport, will determine the starting position. For most sports, it's probably going to be in a 2-point stance. For football, the one that we'll demonstrate today, it'll be at a 3-point stance. Depending on the arm that they decide to put down will be the way that they're going to start off. So as the right hand is touching the ground, we're going to start to the right. He's going to start with a big kick, run over to the cone, touch it with the outside hand with the weight on the inside foot. The inside hand cannot touch the ground at any time. From there, the athlete's going to sprint over, touching this cone. Again, weight on the inside, touching the line. From there, the athlete sprints over, past the middle cone. So some things to consider when administering the test. We want to make sure that the athlete is touching the line with the outside hand and that the inside hand does not come into contact with the ground, which could cause an invalid result. We also want to make sure that the athletes are starting in both directions with multiple attempts in each. We also want to make sure, if we're testing large groups, to split them up into similar skill bases and speeds, which would promote competition and promote maximal effort.
Plan.
Go.